Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I am representing Group 3 to present our slides. So, the topic of our slide is annuity. This is our group members. They are Hazi Ismail, Nik Nur Alia, Jauharia, and me, Balkis. This is our table of content of our presentation and slides. There are introduction, problem solution, conclusion, and references. So, let's start with our introduction.
Hi, my name is Ria, and today I'm going to be presenting about an introduction to annuities. So, what is annuity? Annuity basically is a financial product that provides a fixed income. Insurance firms have used this idea to create a class of financial products that makes a stream of payment with a long-term investment. Investors purchase or invest in annuities with monthly premiums. The institution will make periodic payments for a set period of time. Annuity products are distinct since the investors receive a payment stream for the duration of their life. It is also frequently used to reducing the possibility of outliving one's resources or to plan for retirement. Annuities are classified into 4 types, which is immediate annuities, deferred annuities, fixed annuities, and also variable annuities. So the first one is immediate annuities. This payment method is when the client should start paying out as soon as the client makes a deposit. So the second one is deferred annuities. So deferred income annuities start paying out when a client defines the age at which they want to start receiving payments. So the third one is fixed annuities, which is fixed annuities pay the client on a regular basis. If the client receives larger future payments from variable annuities, it indicates that the investments perform well.
Let's move on to problem solving. Haikal wants to buy a new set of sport dream at Shopee app. The sport dream costs him 4,300 ringgit, but his budget is only at 3,000 ringgit. So he decided to pay it using 18 months installment with 1.5% interest, and the payment will be proceeded monthly as stated in terms and conditions. As a result, his monthly payment are Rm 241 ringgit, not including the Shopee Pay Later processing fee and interest. He chose CIMB Bank to pay using his credit card. Due to Shopee anniversary event, they gave him a voucher where he can claim it for free shipping. He claimed it so he does not need to pay for the shipping. Let's move on to the data collected. The price of the sport trim is Rm 4,300 ringgit. Periodic payment R is 238 ringgit and 89 cent. Year T is 80 months, 1.5 years. Compounded M is 12 or monthly. Interest K is 1.5% or 0.001%.
Let's continue to my part. My part is a chapter 3 that we have calculated all the questions that given from this assignment. This assignment gives us 6 questions that we have calculated use the annuity formula. Question 1 is the amount of the periodic payment. We have 2 formula and we use the one set formula. Okay. Question 1. We have to use A equal R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket negative n close bracket per I. A is a loan. A Rm 4,300. Our K is 1.5. Our M is 12. Our T is 1.5. Our I is 1 per 800. Our N is 80. From this data, we have to transfer to the formula, and we get R equal Rm 241.74 cent. This is our monthly payment. Okay, let's go to the question 2. Question 2 is the future value of annuity. We have to use 2n formula, that's S equal R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket n minus 1 close bracket per I. R we get from question 1 and we have to find S. S is a future value of annuity. We use a same n, same I. N is 18 and I is 1 per 800. And we get Rm 4,397.86 cents. Let's go to question 3. We have to find total interest earned. We have to find I. And we have to use formula I equal R open bracket n close bracket minus A. And our R is 241.70% and our N is 18 and our A is 403,000 and we get RM 51.32. Let's go to question 4. Question 4 is miss few payment then escalate. From this question, we have to use a formula S equal R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket n minus 1 close bracket per I. Our R is 241.74 and our I is the same 1 per 800 and we change the n. N is 3 because the Haikal missed a first 3 monthly payment, so we have to change the N. From the calculation, we get RM 726.12 cents. This answer means Haikal not pay 3 months, and for the next month is 4 months. We have to plus 241.70%, and in the 4 monthly payment, Haikal have to pay RM 967.86 cents. That's amount that Haikal have to pay. Okay, next question is payment done yearly than circular. We make a problem. Haikal decide to pay off his installment immediately after his 10th payment. What is the total amount he will pay? We use a formula that A/N equal R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket negative N close bracket per I. And our N is 10 and we use same R and same I. We just change the N because Haikal pay yearly than circular. We get the answer RM 2,486. That's mean the amount that he pay for 10 months yearly than circular. We go to the last question, create the amortization circular. We have to refer from this circular to get an answer based on our problem that we create. From the question 1 until 5, we get an answer from this amortization circular. And we get a same answer but just a different sense. So from this circular, we just put the loan, put the interest rate, put the compound monthly and put the year. And when our N is right, that means we make a true problem and through loan, through interest, through compound, and through yield. Okay, that's all from me, and thank you.
To conclude our assignment, Annuity provides customers with a reliable source of income over a specific period or for life, addressing concerns about outliving savings by helping the customers buy their wants or needs, like Haikal who needs to buy a new sport room, but the price of the sport room is beyond his budget. So, the Annuity offers him an easier way to buy the sport room, even though the price over limit his budget, in a way that he just needs to pay them in installments. Haikal needs to pay the interest when he is using the installment method. With Annuity, Haikal and other customers does not need to worry about not having money to buy their needs or wants. This is our references that we use and put it inside our slides and reports. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you.